Chapter 4 Atomic Structure. This theme will enable students to understand that every matter is made up of tiny particles known as atoms and molecules. Molecules are also constituted by the atoms. Hence, atoms are the building blocks of matter. The physical and chemical properties of matter are governed by atoms. Therefore, the knowledge of the concepts of atoms, of elements and molecules of elements and compounds and radicals of compounds is necessary to understand different processes and principles of chemistry. Learning outcomes. After studying this chapter, students will be able to define atom, molecule and radical, discuss the significance of valency of elements and radicals, define valency in terms of number of hydrogen atoms combined or replaced by one atom of the element. Apply the definition based on hydrogen atom to find out the valency of other elements and radicals. Correlate the valency of the elements with group number of periodic table. Important terms and their definitions. Atom. Atom is the smallest particle of the element that can exist independently and retain all the chemical properties of the element. Atomic mass. Atomic mass, also called relative atomic mass of an element, is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons of the atom to the element. Atomic number. The number of protons or electrons in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number. Valency. Valency of an element is a whole number that indicates the ability of an atom to combine chemically with other atoms to form a compound. Molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that is formed by the combination of atoms, and it can exist in the free state and the properties of substance. Isotopes. The atoms of an element having different atomic mass are called isotopes. Molecular mass. It is the relative mass of its molecule. Radicals. Radicals are groups of atoms of different elements which behave as a single unit having a change. Introduction. Matter is called Padarth in Hindi. An Indian philosopher, Maharshi Kannad, said that if we go on dividing matter or Padarth, we will get the smallest particle of matter. Based on this philosophy, Kannad was the first person to propose that matter or Padarth is made up of very small particles called Parmanu. John Dalton called these particles by the name of atom. The word atom means indivisible, which means something which cannot be divided further. Another Indian philosopher, Pukudha Katyayama, also proposed that the particles of matter, atoms or Parmanu, normally exist in a combined form and various kinds of matter. This combined form of atoms is now called molecules. Hence, from the above discussion, we come to know that all matter is made up of small particles called atoms and molecules. Different kinds of atoms and molecules have different properties, due to which different kinds of matter also show different properties. Therefore, the properties of matter depend on the properties of atoms and molecules from which it is made. An atom is the smallest indivisible particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction. It is the chief constituent of all matter. Atoms. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Atoms of most of the elements are very reactive and do not exist independently as single atoms. They exist in combination with the atoms of the same element or another element. There are as many kinds of atoms as are elements. Atoms are very, very small in size. The size of an atom is indicated by its radius, which is called atomic radius, or radius of atom. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers, which is a very, very small unit of measuring length. The symbol of a nanometer is Nm. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 2 meter, or 1 nm is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 m. The atomic radius of a hydrogen atom is 0.037 nanometer or 0.037 nm. If we express the radius of a hydrogen atom in meters, it will be 0.037 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter, which means 0.0000000037 meter. It is really very, very small. Atomic radii of some common elements. Element, atomic radius, radius of atom, hydrogen 0.037 nm, carbon 0.077 nm, nitrogen 0.074 nm, oxygen 0.073 nm, chlorine 0.099 nm, sulfur 0.104 nm, sodium 0.191 nm, magnesium 0.160 nm, calcium 0.197 nm, iron 0.120 nm, copper 0.128 nm, gold 0.144 nm. Atoms are so small that we cannot see them even under the most powerful optical microscope. Symbols of elements. A symbol is a thing which represents or stands for something else. When we say the symbols of elements, it means the symbols of the atoms of the elements, because elements are made up of atoms. Dalton's atomic theory. Democritus gave a concept about matter being composed of atoms, but it did not go any further. In 1808, John Dalton published a set of statements about atoms. These statements were called postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. They are as follows. Matter is made up of small indivisible particles called atoms. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Atoms of an element are identical but differ from the atoms of other elements. Chemical combination takes place between small whole numbers of atoms. Dalton's symbol of elements. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols to represent elements in a short way. Dalton's symbol for an element represented the element as well as one atom of that element. Some of the symbols of elements given by Dalton are shown in table 4.2. Dalton's symbols for elements were difficult to draw and inconvenient to use, so Dalton's symbols are only of historical importance. They are not used at all. It was J.J. Berzelius of Sweden who proposed that the first letter and another letter of the name of an element be used as its symbol. This idea led to the modern symbols of elements. Hydrogen, iron, carbon, copper, oxygen, silver, phosphorus, gold, sulfur, lead, platinum, mercury. Element symbol: oxygen O, hydrogen H, nitrogen N, calcium Ca, cobalt Co, magnesium Mg, chlorine Cl, zinc Zn, sodium natricium Na, potassium kalium K, copper cuprum Cu, gold aurum Au, silver argentum Ag, mercury hydrargyrum Hg, iron ferrum Fe, germanium Ge. Structure of an atom. The central portion of any atom is called the nucleus. The nucleus contains protons, which are positively charged particles, and neutrons, which have a neutral charge. Around the nucleus, there are numerous shells or orbits. Negatively charged particles called electrons revolve in the shells, figure 4.1. The nucleus is very tiny compared with the rest of the atom. If the atom was the size of a concert hall, the nucleus at the center would be the size of a peanut, most of the mass being concentrated within the nucleus. All the particles inside an atom are very light. Their mass is measured in atomic mass units rather than grams. Note, mass of proton is equal to mass of neutron. Electrons are much lighter. Number of positively charged protons is equal to number of negatively charged electrons, so atoms are electrically neutral. Arrangement of particles in atoms. Hydrogen atom. P is equal to 1, N is equal to 0. P is proton, N is neutron, 0 is electron. Number of protons 1, number of electrons 1, number of neutrons 0. The arrangement of particles in hydrogen atom is shown in figure 4.2. Sodium atom P11, N12. Number of protons 11, number of electrons 11, number of neutrons 12. The arrangement of particles in hydrogen atom is shown in figure 4.3. Atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons present in an atom of an element. It is represented by A. Atomic number A is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons. For example, sodium atom has 11 protons in its nucleus. Its atomic number is 11. Carbon atom has 6 protons. Its atomic number is 6. Mass number. Mass number is the number of protons plus neutrons present in an atom of an element. Mass number is represented by M. Mass number M is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. For example, carbon atom has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in its nucleus. Its mass number is 12. Sodium atom has 11 protons and 12 neutrons. Its mass number is 23. Mass number represents the mass of the atom. For any element, atomic numbers are shown as subscripts and mass numbers as superscripts. M is equal to mass number, X is equal to element, A is equal to atomic number. Relative atomic mass. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom of the element. As atoms are very small, it is not possible to measure their mass on a typical balance. Scientists have, however, been able to find out the weights of atoms of different elements by indirect methods. For example, an atom of oxygen weighs 26.5 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Like the units for length and mass, we could take the mass of some light particle as a unit to compare the mass of other atoms. C12-6 is taken as the standard atom and 1/12 of the mass of C12-6 is accepted as one atomic mass unit. Relative atomic mass, RAM, is the mass of an atom of an element compared to the standard atomic mass unit. Since it is a relative measure, it has no units. Symbols, atomic numbers, mass numbers and relative atomic mass are given in table 4.4. Element, symbol, atomic number, mass number, relative atomic name. Beryllium Be499, boron B51010, carbon C61212, hydrogen H111, helium He244, lithium Li366, nitrogen N71414, oxygen O81616, fluorine F91919, neon Ne102020, sodium Na112323, magnesium Mg122424, aluminum Al132727, silicon Si142828, phosphorus P153131, sulfur S163232, chlorine Cl1735.5, argon Ar184040, potassium K193939, calcium Ca204040. Molecules. Molecules are in fact made up of atoms. Two or more than two atoms come together in definite proportions to form a molecule. That is, a combination of atoms is called a molecule. We know that atoms of most of the elements are very reactive and cannot exist independently as single atoms. This is not so with molecules. Molecules can exist in free state because they are very stable. Hence, we can define molecule as: a molecule is the smallest particle of a substance, element or compound which has the properties of that substance and can exist independently. Molecules can be formed either by the combination of atoms of the same element or of different elements. Molecules can be classified into two categories: molecules of elements, molecules of compounds. Molecules of elements. A molecule formed from the same kind of atoms is called the molecule of an element. For example, a molecule of hydrogen element contains two hydrogen atoms combined together and it is written as H2, NN, nitrogen molecule N2, HH, hydrogen molecule H2, oxygen OO, oxygen molecule O2. In the above figure 4.4b, hydrogen gas consists of H2 molecule. H2 is a diatomic molecule because it contains two atoms per molecule. Similarly, nitrogen gas exists as N2 molecules, oxygen gas as O2 molecules. Most of the elements which exist as solids consist of a large cluster of atoms which can be considered to be giant molecules or very big molecules. For example, all the metals consist of giant molecules and they are represented by their symbols. Carbon element is a solid non-metal which is also represented by its symbol C. The properties of solid elements are not due to their single atoms but due to big cluster of atoms. Molecules are the smallest particles of a substance which can exist in the free state. They are made of groups of atoms bonded or joined together. H, one atom plus H, one atom, HH, one molecule of hydrogen. O, one atom, O, one atom, OO, one molecule of oxygen. N, one atom plus one N, one atom, NN, one molecule of nitrogen. Formation of molecules from two atoms. Molecules of compounds. When two or more elements combine in a fixed ratio by mass, a compound is formed. When dissimilar atoms combine together, they form molecule of a compound. For example, hydrogen chloride is a compound. The molecule of hydrogen chloride, HCl, contains two different types of atoms, hydrogen atom H and chloride atom Cl, figure 4.5a. A molecule of water, H2O, is made up of two different types of atoms, hydrogen atoms H and oxygen atom O, figure 4.5b. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is also a compound whose molecule consists of two different types of atoms, carbon atom C and oxygen atoms O. Other examples of all the molecules of compounds are sulfur dioxide, SO2, methane, CH4, and ammonia, NH3. To know more, a compound which consists of molecules is called a molecular compound. Hydrogen chloride, water, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane and ammonia are all molecular compounds which consist of molecules and not ions. Relative molecular mass. Molecules are made up of atoms, so the relative molecular mass RMM is obtained from the relative atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. Relative molecular mass of water H2O is equal to relative atomic mass of hydrogen into 2 plus relative atomic mass of oxygen. Relative atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1. Relative atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. Relative molecular mass of H2O is equal to 1 into 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. Relative molecular mass is also a relative measure and has known units. Atomicity. The number of atoms of an element that join together to form a molecule of that element is called its atomicity. Those molecules which contain only one atom like He are known as monoatomic molecules, and those which contain more than one atom are called polyatomic molecules. These polyatomic molecules are known as di, tri, tetra and so on. Monoatomic molecules. These molecules exist in isolated form. For example, helium, He, neon, Ne, argon, Ar, krypton, Kr. Diatomic molecules. These molecules contain two atoms combined together. For example, hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, oxygen O2, chlorine Cl2. Triatomic molecules. Triatomic molecules contain four atoms combined together. For example, ozone O3. Tetratomic or polyatomic molecules. These molecules contain four atoms combined together. Example, phosphorus P4. Criss-cross method of writing formula. Step 1. Write the symbol of positive radical to the left and negative radical to the right side of a compound. For example, magnesium chloride is equal to Mg2 plus Cl minus 1. Step 2. Put the positive and negative signs and shift the valency to the lower side of the radical. For example, MgCl2. Periodic table, names and symbols of first 20 elements. The periodic table shows elements systematically arranged in increasing order of atomic numbers in a table called the modern periodic table. To know more, isotopes are the atoms of same element with same atomic number but different mass number. They differ due to the number of neutrons present in them. For example, hydrogen element has 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium, and tritium. All the 3 have same atomic number, that is 1, but their mass numbers are 1, 2 and 3 respectively. This is because protium has no neutron, deuterium has 1 neutron and tritium has 2 neutrons. Isobars. Atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers which have the same mass number are known as isobars. For example, 4020 Ca, 4018 Cr. Chemical formulae. A chemical formula or molecular formula represents the composition of a molecule of the substance in terms of the symbols of the elements present in the molecule. The formula can be of an element or of a compound. Formulae of elements. The chemical or molecular formula of an element is the formula that shows the actual number of atoms in one molecule of the element. In it, the symbol shows the element and the subscript shows how many atoms are present in one molecule. One molecule of hydrogen element contains 2 atoms of hydrogen. Therefore, the formula of hydrogen is H2. The figure 2 in the formula H2 indicates that one molecule of hydrogen element contains 2 atoms of hydrogen. Molecular or chemical formulae of some common elements. Element formula: hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, oxygen O2, chlorine Cl2, bromides Br2, iodine I2, phosphorus P4, sulfur S2. Formulae of compounds. The molecular or chemical formula of a compound is the actual number of atoms of different elements present in molecule of the compound. For example, water is a compound whose molecule contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So the formula of water is H2O. In the formula H2O, the symbol H2 indicates 2 atoms of hydrogen and not a molecule of hydrogen, and O represents 1 atom of oxygen. The figure in front of a formula shows the number of molecules. For example, 2H2O means 2 molecules of water. The figure 2 multiplies the whole formula H2O and not just the first element, that is 2H2O contains 4 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of oxygen. Formulae of some molecular chemical compounds. Name, formula, elements present. Water H2O, H and O. Carbon dioxide CO2 CNO, sodium dioxide SO2 SNO, ammonia NH3N and H, methane CH4 CNH, ethanol alcohol C2H2OH CHNO, hydrogen chloride HCl H and Cl, carbon tetrachloride tetrachloromethane CCl4 C and Cl, hydrogen sulfide H2S H and S, carbon disulfide CS2 C and S. Molecular mass. Just as an atom has atomic mass, in the same way a molecular has a molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the relative mass of its molecule as compared with the mass of a carbon-12 atom taken as 12 units. Molecular masses of some common elements. Element, symbol, atomic mass, molecular formula, molecular mass. Hydrogen H1U, H2, 2 into 1 is equal to 2U. Nitrogen N14U, N2, 2 into 14 is equal to 28U. Oxygen O16U, O2, 2 into 16 is equal to 32U. Chlorine Cl 35.5U, Cl2, 2 into 35.5 is equal to 71U. Radicals. The molecule of a compound is usually made up of two parts which are known as radicals. These radicals are charged. For example, in sodium chloride, sodium ion and chloride ion are radicals. Sodium ion is positive and chloride ion is negative radical. A radical may consist of one atom or group of non-metallic atoms that react as a single unit and keep their identity in many reactions. The charge shown on these radicals also shows their valency, table 4.8. We may say that a radical does not have independent distance. It exists in combination with another radical or element, for example, sulfate radical. The sulfate radical has a formula SO4 2- and a negative valency of 2. It cannot exist independently. It combines with other radicals. Examples: with sodium ion it forms sulfate Na2SO4. The nitrate radical is represented as NO3-. It contains one atom of one negative charge. It combines with Na plus ion to form a compound sodium nitrate, Na. Representation of some radicals. Radical representation valency. Ammonium NH4 plus 1, nitrate NO3 minus 1, nitrite NO2 minus 1, bisulfate HSO4 minus 1, bisulfite HSO3 minus 1, bicarbonate HCO3 minus 1, bicarbonate HClO3 minus 1, hydroxide OH4 minus 1, acetate CH3COO minus 1, sulfate SO4 2 minus 2, sulfide SO3 2 minus 2, sulfide S2 minus 2, carbonate CO3 2 minus 2. Valency. The valency of an element is the number of electrons donated or shared by its atom during chemical combination. In other words, valency is a measure of the combining capacity of an element. Generally, valency of elements ranges from 0 to 4. The valency of an element is decided by the number of valence electrons in its atom. In other words, the valency of an element is decided by the number of outermost electrons in its atom. Relation between valency and valence electrons. The valency of an element depends on the number of valence electrons, outermost electrons in its atom, because only the valence electrons take part in chemical bonding. The valency of an element is either equal to the number of valence electrons in its atom or equal to the number of electrons required to complete 8 electrons in the valence shell. For example, sodium has 1 valence electron and the valency of sodium is also 1. Hence, in the case of sodium, the valency is equal to the number of valence electrons in its atom. In general, the valency of a metal element is equal to the number of valence electrons in its atom. There are 3 types of valencies: positive valency, negative valency, variable valency. Positive valency. An atom that denotes 1 or more electrons during a chemical combination is said to have a positive valency. The ion formed by donating 1 electron is called monovalent cation. For example, a sodium atom loses 1 electron, its valency is therefore plus 1. It is a monovalent cation. A magnesium atom loses 2 electrons, its valency is 2. It is a divalent cation. An aluminium atom loses 3 electrons, its valency is 3. It is a trivalent cation. Negative valency. An atom that accepts 1 or more electrons during a chemical combination is said to have a negative valency. For example, a chlorine atom gains 1 electron, its valency is 1. It is a monovalent anion. An oxygen atom gains 2 electrons, its valency is 2. It is a divalent anion. Variable valency. The elements which have more than one valency are said to have variable valency. For example, the element copper Cu shows 2 valencies, plus 1 and plus 2. Iron Fe shows 2 valencies, plus 2 and plus 3. Fast track chapter at a glance. An atom is the smallest part of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction. An atom is electrically neutral because the number of protons in its nucleus is equal to the number of electrons revolving in the orbits around the nucleus. The atomic number of an element is equal to the number of electrons or protons present in it. The mass number of an atom is equal to the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in its nucleus. Molecules of elements have atom or atoms of the same kind. Molecules of compounds have atoms of different elements. Radicals are groups of atoms that carry charge and act as single units. Valency is the number of electrons to be donated or accepted for stability of an atom.